Today we are starting with the series of questions on phonetic symbols. Questions on phonetic symbols actually are questions that test your understanding of the vowels and consonants. So both the vowels and the consonants are tested at the same time. It's easier because you won't need to look for the sound in a given word. All you need to do is to look for the word among the options that has the sound represented by the phonetic symbol given. Now, so we'll move on to question 1 that has this fricative, the post-alveolar voiceless fricative sh. Alright, having said that, we can take, if you look at soap, it has this sound, it has this fricative. Okay, alright, now we take what this one has, post-alveolar affricate. It's an affricate, not a fricative. That's what it has. And then we take measure, it has the voiced post-alveolar fricative, the voiced form of this. And then our answer is pressure. Shh. So B is our answer. Now let's take the dental fricative. Dental fricative. Now, the voiceless dental fricative. As I told you earlier, that this sound is represented by th. So, if you look at all the options, you have th in them. So that's where the problem is. That means that, of course, the only work you need to do is to decipher whether a th is for the voiceless dental fricative or the voiced dental fricative. So, if you look at this, we have done some work on this before, so it should be easier. These words, you meet them over and over. Okay, so whether has a voice form, worthy has a voice form, this has the voice form. Then we come to worthy. This word is not worthy, but worthy. So our answer is option C, worthy. Alright, question number 3. This time we are working with the vowel number 12, otherwise known as schwa. So, where is our answer? We're looking for a word that has a sound. Let's start from D. D is simply out. It has E sound, liquid. That's the only vowel it has, liquid. Okay, then option C has vowel number 3, e. Then we have curious. We have diphthongs there. I think here will be curious. Okay, so it means we can't say it is in this sound because both combine to produce one phoneme, one sound. So it means B is also out. Now we look at famous. If you look at the word famous, this is a transcription, famous. So we have a diphthong here. We are not bothered with that. So our concern is the sound that is here in the second syllable of the word famous. So it means our answer is A. Option A becomes the answer of question number 3. Now let's look at question number 4. Question number 4, the sound given is G, the voiced post-alveolar affricate. Now, which should be our answer? If we start from here, option A has 3 consonants, but the one that can deceive you is this one here, and that is the post-alveolar fricative, not an affricate like this, not an affricate. Let's make it clearer. The post-alveolar fricative, so it's different from this one, so it can be your answer. It's the same thing we have in option B, the post-alveolar alveolar fricative, not an affricate. Okay, so take note of those words that they contain the fricative, not the affricate. Alright, now for option D, the G we have there simply is for the voiced velar plosive. So that leaves us with option C. Option C, the J we have here actually gives us the voice post-alveolar affricate G. So our answer is option C. Now let's take question number 5. Question number 5 is a diphthong. Ear. Ear. Okay, so let's start from option D. Option D has this. It can also be written like this. I have been writing it that way. So let's say there. That is option D. So don't think it's not there, as some people pronounce that word. Their book. No, it's their book. So option D cannot be our answer because it's different from ear. Option C has exactly the same vowel as option D, there. So they are homophones, actually. They are homophones. Alright? Now, we take option A. Option A is also the same with option C and D. Bear. Bear that thing in mind. Bear the issue in mind and all that. So, let's take now option B, which is our answer. How do you pronounce that? Fear. Fear. So the answer to question number 5 is B.